Anyuola 11 mag jopuonjre ma skul mbalariany ma Kenyatta manowito ngimagi e masira mar apaya manotimore apaya ma Nairobi Mombasa tarik 18 dwe mokalo oyudo mich mar siling milion 2 kendo moro ka moro oyudo omenda maromo Sh181,818 koa kuom jatend piny Kenya William Ruto. Jopuonjrego mane nitiere higni mar 3 mar somgi ne oyudo dhi Mombasa e seche ma bas mane gitiyo godo e wuoth notuomore rigirigi trela. Kanochiwo omenda ne anyuolago, jalup chancellor mar Kenyatta University Paul Wainaina nowacho ni masirano en achiel kuom midhiero madongo mosemako skundno kendo joma ne oyudo lal imiyo kony e yor loso to gi hocho. Masirano nohinyo ji mamoko 20 ka japuonjre achiel nolalo tiende, kimoro bende nohinyo lumbru mare makoro mone wuotho kod wuoyo maber.
11 of the students succumbed, and therefore the 2 million divided by 11. That is what we have given the families. So I think it is coming to 188,000.
There is nothing that we can do to replace the students that we so loved who had only 1 year to go before they get to the job market. But the little things that we are doing are just to support, keep reminding you that we are together in this space. Keep reminding you that we have not disconnected just because you have buried your loved ones.
Kusema kweli tumeona kama wale ambayo Rais Ruto alikuwa ameweka kwa kazi ni kama amelala kwa kazini. Ndio ajali imefanyika Kenya hapa mingi sana na tujui ni nini inaendelea, na minista zao naona kama hawafanyi kazi yenye inatakikana. Kwa hivyo tunaomba minista ambaye aliwekwa pande ya transport aamuke. Ndio sasa Wakenya wengi wanaumia, madaktari pia wako kwa hospitali. Ajali kifanyika watu wengi wanakufa hata bila kutibiwa.
Sasa hivi watu wako na wasiwasi sana, hata mtu akienda sokoni mtu wako na wasiwasi sababu barabara zimekuwa na machanga mengi sana. Sisi tunataka sheria ziwekwe na waziri naye akae na watu wote sekta zote mpaka sa security ili wapate kushikana, wapate kujua chenye kinaweza fanywa kizuri, kipate kuboresha uchukuzi wa nchi yetu. Hata tunaenda kupoteza watu wote.